This is a Lexus from Baotou, Inner Mongolia that spent a long time doing off-road work at construction sites and was bought by a fan for 100,000 yuan. The fan said it originally belonged to a site manager, but after the project ended, the car was no longer in good condition, so it was sold to him at such a low price. When the engine was started, the frame was badly rusted, the chassis components were aged and cracked, and there was a strong odor inside the car. After years of working on construction sites, he had saved some money, so he decided to spend another 100,000 yuan to completely strip and refurbish the vehicle to bring it back to peak condition. Next, we begin our work. Clean the car thoroughly and remove it completely. A large number of rubber bushings were badly deteriorated. After 700,000 kilometers, the vehicle had accumulated a whole load of dirt and debris. Everything was thoroughly cleaned. Chassis cleaning completed. Engine and transmission were disassembled and repaired. Head washing. Chassis disassembly and refurbishment. Chassis disassembly completed. All parts have been rust-proofed and refurbished. Laser toxicity treatment on rusty stone. Screws were sandblasted to remove rust. Extensive antique rust-proof coating. The refurbished chassis was reassembled. Chassis refurbishment completed. Let us continue with the engine assembly and see whether our assembly process meets the proper standards. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Engine assembly completed. Remove the moldy and foul-smelling adhesive inside the car to eliminate unpleasant odors commonly found in older vehicles. The entire car was soundproofed. High-density soundproofing. This will produce very good results. Appearance treatment. The entire car was meticulously polished. After treatment, apply primer. clean and sand the primer again. Spray paint. Shining after spraying. Body and chassis integration. Ignition test. All internal and external return patterns. Air conditioner test. Top up the windshield washer fluid and give the entire car a thorough wash. At this point, the refurbishment of this old vehicle is complete. Now let us take a look at the final result. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.